The registration of wildlife crime cases in Sabah and Sarawak is increasing every year, which multiplying registered cases invariably leads of sentences passed and eventually builds up disparity in sentences for wildlife crimes. In 2017, a task force called the Environmental Court Guidelines Committee for Wildlife Crime, comprising of representatives from Kota Kinabalu Court and WWF Malaysia, was set up to formulate a solution for the disparity in sentences. The sentencing guidelines for wildlife crime in Sabah, based on the Sabah Wildlife Conservation Enactment 1997, was launched on June 22, 2019 in Kuadat, Sabah. Shortly thereafter, similar steps were taken by the Sarawak Court Working Group on Environment and WWF Malaysia. The sentencing guidelines for wildlife crime in Sarawak, based on the Sarawak Wildlife Protection Ordinance 1998 and its rules, was released on June 16, 2022 in Kuching, Sarawak. Both sentencing guidelines provide a comprehensive and thorough formula to assess the appropriate penalty for a particular wildlife crime. In spite of that, calculation using the formula is time-consuming and may be exposed to human error. Several meetings were held with science since November 14, 2023, to devise a tool that can assist the judges in applying the formula provided in the Sabah and Sarawak sentencing guidelines for wildlife crime. Introducing the Wildlife Crime Sentencing Guidelines Calculator for Sabah and Sarawak Courts, or Wildcal. Wildcal is intended to be an AI-based calculator and has completed Phase 2 of its development. Phase 1 includes planning and research, design and prototyping and development. Phase 2 is testing the base calculator tool developed by science. Phase 3 involves data collection in order to fully implement the AI element into Wildcal, and this is expected to be completed by 2027.